Children, did you listen this story? Yes. Now I asked a word. You have to show the word on the blackboard. Okay? Right? Companion. Where is companion? Yes, Raja. Is it Yes, correct. Companion. Sit down. Right. Next. Groceries. Yes, Pavan. Groceries. Right. Very good. Next. Cradle. Come on. Cradle. Yes, you are right. Next word is husband. Right. Yes. Good. Next word is characters. Good. What is meant by characters? Patralu in the story. Okay. Next word is realized. Yes. Mohuddin. Good. Very good. Realized. Next. Farmer. Yes. You come on. Farmer. Good. Very good. Next word is wife. Good. Next word is pet animal. Good. Very good. Next word is need. Good. And next word is snake. Come on. Yes, Surendra, come on. Yes, snake. Next word is sleep. Yes. Good. Very good. Next word is mongoose. Surendra. Yes. Mongoose. Good. Very good. Next. Yes. Next word is cradle. Again, cradle. Madan. Cradle. Where is cradle? Good. Very good. Cradle. Next. What is the title of the lesson? One. Only one. Yes. The friendly mongoose. The friendly mongoose. Okay. How many characters are there in the 5 characters? I want to single answer. I don't want group answer. Sanjana, what are the characters in the stories?
Snake.
Yes. Baby.
Mongoose.
Yes.
Husband.
Good.
Wife.
Yes.
Cradle.
Very good. Cradle is not a character. Yes. Farmer. Again.
Farmer.
Wife. Mongoose. Baby. Snake. Good. Very good. Next. Yes. Wait. Who is a friend in this character? In this story, who is friend? Mongoose. At the end of the stories, what happened to the mongoose? What happened? It is dead. Unfortunately, it is dead. Okay. Right. Very good. Claps.